Hey everyone, welcome to PC Arrow Detective. This little shortcut arrow on desktop icons can make your screen look cluttered. But removing them is easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you how to clean them up on Windows 10 and 11 in just a simple few steps. Okay, let's get started. First, click on the search icon, search bar and type Registry Editor. And from here, Registry Editor will open. Just click on the open to open the app. If any types of permission appears, just click yes to allow. From here, go to your description box and copy the path that I have given and paste it right here and hit enter. Okay, I got into the Explorer tab. From here, right click on the Explorer option, go to New, and then click on Key. Name the key. The name is also given in the description box. Name it like this. Okay. The name will be shell node. And from here, right click here, then go to New, then click on string value. Name it 29. Okay, now double click on 29 and a small window will pop up. In the value data section, go to the description box and copy the value data that I have given there and paste it right here. Then click OK. Okay, now let's don't close it, minimize the window because we need it again. We'll need it again. Then click on the search bar again and type Task Manager. Open it. My Task Manager has opened. From here, I have found the Windows Explorer option. Select it, right click on it and click Restart. Now it will restart the whole system. Okay, it has restarted it, and after restarting it, close the Task Manager window and go to the Register section. Right click on it, the data we have given there, and click on Delete. Click yes, and then restart your computer. As you can see, the arrow has already been removed, but there is a black thing here, and after restarting it, that shortcut icon or the icon that is there will be removed. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to PC Arrow Detective. See you in the next video.